In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can summon and fight the Great Mage boss here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to go ahead and make your way over to Easter Island by using any of the teleporters in the map. And once you're at Easter Island, to actually spawn in the boss, you're going to need at least one key. If you don't have one, I'd recommend just start farming these bunny NPCs here on the map. They actually drop some Easter keys as well, but they mainly drop those Easter eggs. And then what you can either do is convert those keys after completing the NPC bunny quest right here, where you find all 7 hidden Easter eggs, which isn't too hard of a quest. It is a little tedious, but it's doable. You can convert those eggs into keys right here, or what you could also do is just continuously keep farming these guys until you do get the keys from them. But essentially, once you have those keys, make your way to the very back of this map, and you're going to see the Great Mage Summoner right here. Simply go ahead and interact with the Great Mage Summoner, and of course from here you can spawn in the Great Mage boss. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.